friend Schaefer from AIReal Yoga. The following is a video for reference only. Please make sure to follow all safety instructions. If you have any questions, do not guess. Safety is of our utmost priority. Please contact us at info@airialyoga.com. Do not wait. Elevate, alleviate, exhilarate. Up close, how we adjust the fabric once it's already on the carabiner and hooked up to the rig is by loosening the prusik knot and pulling the fabric, either creating a longer tail or a shorter tail. So you can just loosen this slightly by creating more space, and then I can either pull down or I can pull up the other way. You want to make sure that you are not pulling all the way towards the end of the tail. You want to make sure that you keep at least a few feet for safety.